few things to do here. Check this place out, boys. High-end unit, but we're gonna start off with a French drain right here. Any water coming down this hill was giving us issues, so we're gonna cut this out, put a nice sweet perfection French drain here, and then just send it out the seawall there. It'll be awesome. Watch this. See what kind of slope we're dealing with here. It's a pretty good slope. I think, how could a property like this have drainage issues? But that's not how you do that. How's that gonna work? Oh, I gotta show you this though. This is hilarious. Well, it's not hilarious, but he's got landscapers to do his drainage, and this is what happens. So he's had to put one there. This is the best one over here though. This is why you don't get landscapers do your drainage. Like, he's had to like come in here and put an extra pipe on there and just jab it in accordance, because like this is the pop-up. That's higher. There's no way that would have ever worked. I don't know, but we fix. Watch this. This is going to be awesome. We're going to send all the water from, we're going to do a French drain along here to catch any water, because this slopes down and then this way, right? So any surface water over here, I mean, I'm sure it was mostly this east trough overflowing, but still, we're going to put a French drain along there, because what happened was his foundation has come away. His whole freaking foundation has shifted, so that's not good. So we'll get that sorted out. French drain, come to over here, farfanugin out, right down the hill, away from the building. Same with this one. We got to come this way with this one and out over here, so that water doesn't just flow right down into that building, cause issues down there. And that one can just go this way, no big deal. But don't let me forget to spray the trailer with WD-40.
Okay.
Before we obviously put dirt in. A lot easier before, you know. Yeah.
Working out good.
That's what mom made the sense.
Oh yeah, definitely, right?
That helps it don't stick on the concrete.
Yeah, we've had issues with it dumping. It's just not steep enough for the stuff to dump out without it.
Yeah, this is gonna suck, boys. Holy shit. Oh, they're doing the old tandem. That's what we need to do. Just put more in it and tag team it up the hill.
I think so.
Yeah, man, look at them go. Look at them friggin' go, boys, figuring it out. Sometimes you gotta just let them figure it out, you know? I was wondering what the felon was doing, like, you gonna go hold his hand, or... But, yeah. I'm telling you, I don't know if you can make it out on the movie here, but she is steeper as frig. This hasn't even been there this long. Look at this. Like, what is this gonna do? Like, look at how there's like a big void there. This is just gonna hold water.
How heavy is this shoe anyways?
Fucking dicked.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I see what you mean now about the calves, man, going backwards like this.
Holy shit. Can almost see your hole. Shitter cam, hey? Holy.
All over YouTube?
All over YouTube, bud.
Restricted.
Restricted.
Pour it out. Well, here's where we're at so far. Wind's coming in. The Chinook boy, she's blowing in some terrible, but got our freaking what's it? French drain. All nice and neat. No mess. No mess. We don't make no mess. But so I just want to get rid of all the dirt that we're getting rid of, and then go and get the stone, and then bring that back, and then you know, we don't have to remove any more material, and then we can just get her done. But yeah, this is something else. Perforated pipe. The last 10 feet. Perforated pipe, reduced down to 3-inch from 4-inch, and then up a foot, and expected that to work. It was coming down these troughs, up a hill, and then bellying 6 or 7 times, and then going down into this, and then just into the perforated pipe. Just absolutely ridiculous. They got another one over there, another one over there, but I gotta go dump this and pick up the stone, and we'll be right back. Carry on for another 4 or 5 hours, and then it'll be awesome. Well, that worked a treat, boys. WD-40, hardly tell it's there now, but yeah, that dumped right out of there easy. It just doesn't do that. Pretty choochy. Look at that chooch this thing makes. Holy fuck.